Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe and at home. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. It's coming from Opasolar. Ooh. Take a look at this. Moving horizontally. Vertical sliding. It's a nice little guy. This is what it looks like when you get it. Motion detection. Alright, let's pop her open. And take a look and see what other goodies they have to offer. We're about to see this in action. This would be a nice gift to your house. Added security, especially in those like dark places by the shed, by the garage. Let's take a look inside. So here we go. Here we go. Got the standard reset key right there. It's this little guy. Mounting bracket, and we have the screws, and now we have the main unit. It is right here. Oh, that's a nice little guy. I like this. Nice solar. Once you go outside, you might want to maybe once a month go by, squirt it with some Windex, clean this out. Depends on if it's like raining heavy. Ah, this is a nice one. It's lightweight too. See, I'm gonna have to shut some lights off. There's a swivel. So you just pop it like that. I wonder if it's ready to go. See, Alexa, turn off computer light. Okay, that didn't help too much. Let's see. I'm gonna have to shut off the other one. 1 second. Well, probably needs to be charged up. Shoot. Right now it's dark out, so I mean, might be hard. Hold on 1 second. Put some light back on. Might be harder to do it indoor. Maybe a good reset. Let me show you how it worked that. So like I said, it's dark out. I just got this late today shipping, so I'll install it in the morning. And then but hopefully we can get it at least. See, just hear it click. There you go. Whoa. Alright. I'm going to shut the light off. I do like this one. It's pretty bright, guys. There we go. Good, I don't need to install it right now. But you guys can install it once you get it. Because holy smokes. Turn your... Look at that. You can read the globe. The box you could read. That is gnarly. I like that. That's a nice light color too. Nice, super bright. I'll wait till it shuts off. Maybe I'm blacking it, the sensor. Here we go. Okay, see, that stays on. Whoa. See what I mean? But I think if I click it, probably, you can probably set it to have this off completely. See? Here comes a spooky man coming through. Boom. That's quick reaction time, guys. So I'm probably going to put this somewhere on the side of the house. Just not 100% sure where. But like I said, this is a nice design. Should be easy because it's going to be pointed like this once you mount it like that. So you're going to have, oops, sorry about that. And it's bright though. Yeah, I'm going to have it like this somewhere outside. I see the light, guys. Follow me. I'll guide through the darkness. See the light. So it's Opasolar. I think it's Opa. Look how bright that is still. That's crazy. So you can hook it up to your tripod, shoot it at nighttime. If you don't want to spend all that extra money on equipment, this would be a great one to get. And it's solar, so it charges on the sun. You guys will be all set. Look at that. That is crazy bright. I definitely, especially the evil critters that are outside at nighttime, you could definitely spot these guys out. Boom. There you go. So check them out. Opasolar. Guy looks like from the dude from Mad Magazine or a Big Boy restaurant with the wavy hair, the suspenders. He's a happy guy. All right, YouTubers, get one now. Get a couple for your home. Christmas coming up. Great housewarming gifts, stocking stuffer, small box to fit. You know? So, there you go. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.